The demand for various goods can be classified on the basis of the number of consumers of a product, nature of the goods, interdependence of demand, nature of the use of the product, etc. We here discuss two type of demand. One is individual demand and one is market demand. Individual demand, the quantity of commodity that an individual consumer is willing to purchase at a given price during a given period of time. An individual consumer is called a household in economics. So therefore, individual demand is the same thing as a household. The quantity of milk purchased per day by your mother, it is individual demand for milk, and that is 2 liters of milk is known as individual demand because it is purchased by single household. Second one, market demand. The total quantity of commodity that all the households are willing to buy at a given price during a given period of time, that is known as market demand. Many households demanded for the commodity, for example individual A, individual B, individual C and so on. The total quantity of milk purchased by many individuals every day, that is known as market demand. From individual A 2 liter, B 3 liter, C 1 liter, D 4 liter equals to 10 liters of milk purchased regularly from the market. This is known as market demand. Next topic is demand schedule. It is a tabular statement that shows different quantities of a commodity that would be demanded at a different price. Individual demand schedule, price, quantity demanded, rupees in kg and kg per week. So what is individual demand schedule? The table shows the various quantities of a commodity that would be purchased at a different price by a household. This is known as individual demand schedule. It shows the quantity of apple that a household would demand at 5 different prices or 4 different prices. For example, at a price of 60 per kg, 1 kg of apple would be purchased. The data in the table clearly shows that an individual household purchases a large quantity of apples when its price falls. When the price of apple falls from 60 to 50, the quantity demanded increases from 1 kg a week to 2 kg a week. This is known as demand schedule and it is for single household, so it is known as individual demand schedule. Next one is market demand schedule. A table shows various quantity of a commodity that all the consumers will purchase at different prices during a given period. Price per kg, quantity demanded by A, individual, quantity demanded by individual B, and market demand is A plus B. Market demand schedule is obtained by adding A demand of A and B at a different price, assuming that there is only 2 consumers of apple. For example, at a price of rupees 60, the market demand is 3. 1 kg of consumer A and 2 kg of consumer B, and so on. Like the individual schedule, the market demand schedule also shows inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded of a commodity. When price decreases 60 from 60 to 50, the quantity demanded by individual A increases, quantity demanded by individual B is also increases. Therefore, decrease in price, the quantity demanded from in the market is also increases. Demand curve, a graphic presentation of law of demand or picturization of the demand schedule. Individual demand curve, the curve that shows different quantities of the goods which a consumer is willing to buy at different price during a given period of time. This is known as individual demand curve. This is individual demand curve is based on individual demand schedule, which I have already taught. A and B, two different schedule we have taken. Same way, the A and B, two different graph we have to make. The price of apple is plotted on the vertical axis and the quantity on horizontal axis. The point A, B, C, D shows different price quantity combination. By joining these points, you will get DD, which is known as demand curve. The demand curve slope downwards from left to right, which indicates that there is an inverse relationship between price and the quantity demanded. The market demand curve, a curve that represents different quantities of goods which all the consumers in the market are willing to buy at a different price during a given period of time. Or you can say it is a horizontal summation of the demand curve of all the household. Here A plus B, this shows the market demand curve A plus B. A single demand curve represents both the demand curve of A and B. The market demand curve, a curve that represents different quantities of goods which all the consumers in the market are willing to buy at a different price during a given period of time. Or you can say it is a horizontal summation of the demand curve of all the household. Here A plus B, this shows the market demand curve A plus B. A single demand curve represents both the demand curve of A and B.